What's that? It's that burr comb down there. All right. Let's put her back on. Come on, boys, go back down. Or girls. How much nectar do they? How much food they got in there? Bring me the pitcher.
Okay.
Hurry.
Where?
Just dump it in there, but don't dump it on the bee.
Did you zoom in, Bryson?
Why?
You guys
Look at that guy. He has pollen on his leg.
Alright, just keep dumping it. Hurry, we want to close this hive up. Don't get too rambunctious.
There he goes.
Oh, they're already starting in the other box.
No, that's because I set them on top of it. It's okay. Is that it?
Almost.
Oh, that means they drank almost all of it in 2 weeks. So I have to bring some sugar water next time. Next week. Alright.
Get here.
Uh-oh, smoker's going out.
Oh, what?
Oh. Sorry. Okay. Next. Let's move this. I'm gonna go to the side. Let's smoke the entrance. You're gonna need to go put more.
Preston, go fill it up again. Can we see the nuke first?
Why?
'Cause I want to see how it's doing.
Oh, I want to do this one just because. Come here. It's me almost every week. Oh, this is like.
Stuck. Well, pollen patty's still on there. Didn't ever take the top off.
They're not eating it. Oh yeah, they're just eating the side. That's what you're supposed to do.
Oh.
Look at all that burr.
Wow, look at that. That is some gnarly burr comb.
Oops. Put that on top of the other. Alright, wow, this one looks loaded. Where's the smoker we need to?
Check it.
Yeah, they're pretty good though already. Let's not set the smoker over there, so we need to.
It'll make them more agitated. This last one's almost stoned my whole hand. Didn't you see him come after me?
Kind of like the snake. It was charging me.
Well, there was like a whole freaking colony coming after my hand.
Okay, wow, this is all gummed up. Uh-oh.
Where's the hive tool?
In my pocket. I just,
Here, hand it to me and I'll get this side.
I got it. I just gotta use the hook on it. There we go. I got it.
this side's off. Okay.
Wow.
What?
This is a
Holy
heavy,
cow.
heavy frame.
Well, they're starting even to cap it
Yeah.
with honey.
They haven't drawn out the end.
And that's
That
the
means-
last frame.
Yeah, it means there's probably not enough space on it.
Is that a huge container of this food?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Here comes the big
This one's loaded.
Oh,
It's heavy. Oh,
Wow.
squashed the beak. Ah, this is a much more productive hive than that last one.
Yeah, dude. No, move that. It's like right on my leg.
Look at all that honey.
Holy cow.
That's a ton of honey.
Yeah, it is.
Look at that.
Holy cow.
Honey.
Wow.
Yeah, this is the hive. Maybe we should take some of the genetics from this hive and put them in that one. Sorry. I can't lay one of the frames down because I don't want you to drop it as a thing. Alright, I got it. If I can get one, I can get the other. Okay.
Whoa.
Dang.
You just scraped a whole bunch off.
Oh, I did.
Yeah.
Let's see, that's all nectar.
Let's see the other side. I think the queen might be on it.
That's all nectar.
Oh.
Yep, all nectar.
Alright.
Holy crap. That fur comb that's down there. Here, Press, hold this. Oh, you don't want to hold it?
I can.
Okay, just hold the edges. Do not drop it. Even if bee gets on your hand, don't drop it. Because look at the burr comb down there.
Holy cow. Oh, you just put it on my head.
This is all honey, 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 honey. That's all honey. Wow, that one's like loaded.
Whoa.
What?
There's this bee that's just like in one of these holes.
Eating?
And the only thing that's showing is its head.
Yeah, it's because they smelled the smoke. So when they smell the smoke, they run back and hurry and eat as much honey as they can because they think they're going to have to fly a long ways and leave the hive. All right, I don't know what this is.
Guess
Just
trying to
cap
sting me.
resources.
That one's trying to sting me.
Yeah, get used to it. These are cap nectar also. No.
Preston holding his frame without any gloves.
No babies yet. This is all nectar too. Oh no, there's babies on this one.
Where?
Right down the bottom corner.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so let's start looking for the queenie.
Wait, you started naming her?
No, the queen. Okay, sorry. Nothing on this side. I don't see her. She's got to be here. This is a good hive. It's all nectar. That's all babies. All babies. See that?
Yeah. Wow.
Larva. Alright, so let's see if she's on here. Is that her laying right there?
Where?
In the corner. I don't see her.
Look at that guy doing the wiggle dance.
Is that her? No. Not her next to the wiggler. No.
He's still in there.
I don't see her. She's probably coming up though, unless she went down below. Okay. I'm gonna have to fit that guy back in here in a minute. Oh, I didn't crunch too many when I do that. This guy's trying to sting me.
Really? Let me
Yeah.
see.
He just stung my glove. See that? He's dead. Stung my glove right there. Where's the smoker? I need to smoke it so the pheromones aren't on there.
Here.
Okay. Let's see. Nectar. And nectar. Alright, so let's leave.
Alright, Preston, you can put that one back in.
I'll put it in. It's usually putting it in and taking it out. It's the risky part. Okay. Oh, see, dropped it. All right, I'm gonna set this down there, so they're gonna go crazy here in a minute.
Macho man. Alright, don't tip it. Wow, look at that bird home. They're even putting larvae in it.
Hey, watch out, you can smoke these guys.
Look at that thing. Oh, it's coming out.
Really?
Look at that larva.
Oh yeah, because I ripped it open, that's why. Because ripping
Whoa.
apart the frame, ripped apart, so that's what they look like when they're in there turning to bees. Alright, so let's see.
Crazy.
What's on this frame?
Do not want to step on any bees.
We're just drawing this out. Nothing on there yet. We're still drawing that out. Alright, there's the first one we're going to pull.
Oh yeah, don't do that. Here.
Well, you can only pull it at a certain angle.
Oh, it's going for my leg. He was in my shoe.
Ankle biters. Alright, just still drawing it out. Putting pollen in there. Still drawing it out. You want to hold?
Sure.
Okay. Oh, we're getting pretty aggressive here. Must be getting close to queen, hopefully. Out.
Oh, this squished the bee.
Oh, I did?
Oh.
Yeah, sure.
And
That's just drawn out. It's just drawn out.
well, they're all coming after me. They're on the camera.
They're coming after my hands, Dad.
They are? What, you getting scared?
No.
Okay.
Well, yeah, at first, but then they stopped.
Okay. A lot of pollen on that guy. Okay. Let's see. Larva in here. So we're gonna look for the queen. What's the matter?
Oh, is that her right there?
Let's see. No.
You sure?
Yeah. It's too small. I mean, when you see her, you have no doubt because of her size. Spotting her for the first time is always the hard part. I don't see any larvae on that side. see. Alright, just gotta be on this next couple, so you're ready. Oh, doesn't want me picking it up. Okay, where's she at? Come on, Press, you see her? Yeah, actually, that's no larva in that frame. Probably not on it. Let's see, on this side. Nope, it's all capped stuff. Collins, it's probably not on there. Alright.
She might be on that one because it has all that larva.
Oh, the fur cone, yeah, you're right.
Oh, larva fell. Look, right there at the entrance, a larva fell.
Oh, yep. Probably.
My babies!
Yeah.